Model, 69-plate Citroen Relay 35 L3H2 BlueHDi 140 6-speed Enterprise needs turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 116,339. MOT, the 7th of January 2025. Engine, 2179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs but the turbo needs replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent condition for its age and would only require a little bit of love to be back in tip-top condition. As for the interior and rear load area, they are both in good condition. All in all, a great van which only requires a bit of love and attention. Features: 1 former keeper, cruise control, sat-nav, air-con, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,795 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.